I'm Ross with History and Reviews, and yes, yet again I have one of these to review. I've done a miniature gray one. I don't know what happened to that. I'm kind of mad. I have a yellow one, and I have a metallic blue one. So I got a plastic yellow one, a metallic blue one, and this one is a mixture of plastic and metal, and it was $1 because I got it in my stocking, which was months ago. But every time we do a review of one of these, they still get views. They still get 100. They still get 1,000. It's really weird that these are still so popular. This one's made in China. I've done one with a box like this before. You got 3 colors. I have the yellow one, and then I have a metallic blue. But my yellow one's plastic, and it's not metal like this one. This one was $1, I believe I was told. And it looked like someone had already opened it. And I've had this for let's see, Christmas was a month ago. I've had this for a month and I haven't taken it out, and it looks like from just the box being torn up and the hinges ripped off, it looks like someone already opened this one. And there appears to be fingerprints already on it. And some of the metal hinges seem to be popped out, so I'm going to have to take like a hammer and them back in, because these ones are metal hinges. But I'm going to do a spin test like I always do. 60 FPS, so you can hit slow motion on YouTube, lower it to 0.5 speed on the little gear icon on the bottom right if you're on a computer, and watch this in slow motion. This one I don't think will spin as much as my yellow and blue, but obviously I can tell it's not, because those ones spin for a long time. My gray one only lasts like 10 to 15 seconds. This one has lasted over 20. It is made by, well, it says made in China, but it doesn't have like a brand. This one's unbranded. And it appears to tick when it's spinning. It ticks. My other ones don't do that. This one's got a white like exoskeleton and metallic innards. However, these are weird hinges, weird metallic hinges. They look discolored, kind of. Weirdly discolored. Weirdly discolored. But I'm just so addicted to these things. They do help relax me, and sometimes they make me feel worse. They make me feel more anxious, because I'm like, oh, when's it going to stop spinning? So I'm trying to distract myself from something while driving. I just pull out my fidget spinner, I'm like, oh my god, it's gonna stop spinning, and then I swerve into the other lane, I hit another car, but I keep going because I don't notice, and then I find out later when I get a bill statement in the mail that I have an insurance claim against me. But these things really do help me. They keep me focused, and then they also make me nervous, depending on the situation, and they're just really great. They're nice to look at. They're not weird. They're very, very nice to look at. They make pleasant sounds, unless you get that that this one does. And I'm really happy I got this. I gotta find my blue one and my yellow. I gotta really find that little baby gray one. I think if you can get a fidget spinner, even this one, probably not, unless you just like the unique sound. Probably try and get an all metallic one, or a plastic with smaller hinges, and you'll be good to go. This one, it has too many things. It might just be the one that I got, but that's okay. Anyway, yeah, I would say definitely buy a fidget spinner if you have anxiety or anything, and just, if you're afraid of people judging you, here's what I also do. I put it at my side. If I can find out how far back this goes. Oh, you can't even see it, so dark. And yeah, put it at my side like this when you're by a table and just spin it. Just like that. Keep it out of sight, out of mind. And then boom. So yeah, definitely, this one's okay. It's not the best. I would give it like a 4 out of 10 based on all the issues I've seen with it. But yeah, I love fidget spinners. I absolutely love them. I adore them. I love them. I want all of them.